Good morning. Sorry for the mess. I have a lot of things going on. I decided to do some cuttings from my highbush cranberry. I have one highbush cranberry that has survived. It is in heavy clay soil, surrounded by wood chips and lots and lots and lots and lots of weeds. But it has survived. So I decided to do some cuttings for it, and I am doing a number of different processes. First of all, here is, when you take cuttings, the general rule is that you need 2 nodes beneath the surface and 1 node above the surface. For some plants, you need leaves attached, and for some plants, you need to take those off. I am doing with them with the leaves attached. That is the first group. This group has already been planted, and that is, again, 2 nodes below the surface and 1 node above with the leaves attached. But I used honey again as a rooting hormone. So we'll see how well that works. It worked very well for the forsythia, so we'll try it again and see. I have 7 of those. And the other, I have been told that this type of plant does very well with rooting in water. So I took 4 with a tail on it. That means I tore it off rather than cutting it. I tore it off the plant. So it has a little piece. Oops, wrong one. So it has a little piece of wood right there at the base. Okay. So this one does not have any rooting hormone, and that will just be in water, and we will see if they root. Again, 2 nodes below, and then the 1 node above with the leaves on it. And the last one that I am doing, when I looked at instructions on doing this for this particular type of plant, it said that they needed a humidity dome. Now, I am using this here as the humidity dome for the smaller plants. They'll fit perfectly, no problems there. But I don't have anything that will work as a humidity dome for something that tall. The leaves are not supposed to impact the top. So I decided to go ahead. I have a single pot of dirt right here. And I am going to try to create a humidity dome using this glass bottle. So let me tip that so you can actually see it. Okay, so the glass bottle will go over the top of the pot. Now I'm going to put the honey on them, and I'm going to put all 4 in the same pot. Now, because of the format, I'm going to cut, show you what I'm working on here so that you can actually see me do it. Okay. Okay. A little bit of honey. A little bit of honey. I'm going to do this a little bit differently because these, not only are they very tall as far as the space between the internodes. Now, if I put this, let me tip it up a little bit. Whoops. Yeah, that was not what I expected. Okay. If I put this in here, those leaves are going to impact the top, and I don't want that. So this one is exceptionally long. So anyway, I'm going to put the honey on it. The honey on both nodes. And put it in the can. That one's a little bit tall. Okay, I'm going to do something else here. Okay, since these leaves are so large, I'm going to cut them. And this one, I think I will actually, yeah, I'll just go ahead and cut a piece off. I don't know if this is going to make a difference. On some plants it does, and on some plants it doesn't. The idea is that there is less leaf space to lose water. So I'm going to take, now this won't be its final spot, but I'm going to take the jar and put it over the top so that the water stays inside. So those are the 4 tests, and I will not post this until I have a success rate. So I will talk with you later.